Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the My Jio app and signing in with your Jio number. Enter the OTP when prompted. Once done, make sure the app has permissions to read network and usage data so numbers sync correctly. If you already use another account, switch to the target Jio number now. This step links your SIM to the dashboard, which is why it's required before you can view detailed usage. Proceed only after the main account page loads fully. Once the dashboard appears, tap the home card or menu labeled Balance or Usage to access data details. You'll see options such as Data, Calls, and SMS. Select Data to open usage breakdowns. Then choose a time frame, daily, weekly, or monthly, to filter the view. This helps you spot spikes or steady consumption. If you need device-specific information, look for a section that lists connected devices or app-wise usage to understand which apps consume the most data. Now read the numbers: remaining data, used amount, and expiry date to plan usage. The app often shows per app or per day consumption, which explains sudden drains. Once satisfied, screenshot or export the usage report for your records. If totals look wrong, refresh the dashboard and re-login, clear app cache, or update My Jio. If discrepancies persist, contact Jio support with screenshots and your account details so they can reconcile network records with the app display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.